A very good morning to all of you. Our today's revision topic is the most important topic of your GK subject, and that is table manners. Why did I say that it is important? उसका रीज़न ये है कि आप डेली बेसिस पे ट्वाइस, थ्राइस और इवन मोर आप you eat, you sit on the table and you have to keep in mind about these things, जिससे किसी को पता चलता है that how well mannered you are, आपको मैनरिज्म के बारे में कितना मालूम है. So that's why I said that table manners table manners are very important part or things to remember in your life. Okay? तो आज का जो टॉपिक है वो है ऑन पेज नंबर 34 और उसमें आपको कौन सी चीज़ें करनी चाहिए, things that you should do while sitting on a table and the things you should not do while sitting. आप जब टेबल पे बैठते हो खाना खाने के लिए तब आपको कौन सी चीज़ नहीं करनी चाहिए, which things you should not do, वो आपको आइडेंटिफाई करना है. ठीक है? So take out page number 34. So as you can see, this is page number 34, chapter number 30 at the table. और जैसे मैंने आपको डिस्क्राइब किया था, you have to tick the pictures showing correct table manners. यहाँ पे जो पिक्चर्स दिए हुए हैं उसमें से कौन सी चीज़ें आपको करनी चाहिए, which is the right correct table manners, that वहाँ पे in front of that और उसके बाजू में यहाँ पे जो ऐसे बॉक्स दिए हुए हैं वहाँ पे आपको टिक मार्क करनी है. ठीक है? So the first picture over here is washing hands before eating. See this girl, she is washing her hands before. वो यहाँ पे उसका देखो खाना रखा हुआ है तो उसके पहले she is washing her hands, which is correct. It's a good habit. So we will tick mark over here. All right. Now, can you see this boy with a car? So that means what he is doing? He is playing at the table. Should you play while having food or while you are sitting at the table? No. It's a bad habit. So, we will not be doing a tick mark in this box. All right? Now this one, मैं जानती हूँ अभी भी बहुत सारे बच्चे ये पिक्चर में the way this boy is watching TV, so many of you are doing this, which is absolutely bad manners. वो आपको बिल्कुल करना चाहिए नहीं. It's a not proper thing to do while you sit at the table. So यहाँ पे भी हम टिक मार्क करेंगे नहीं. And see what this boy is doing? He is praying before eating. It's a very good habit. You should always thank God to give you such a tasty food to eat. तो इसके लिए वो प्रे कर रहा है, which is a good habit. You should do this thing while you sit at the table. So we will tick mark over here. Now this boy is sitting properly and eating, which is a good thing. जब भी आप टेबल पे खाना खाने के लिए बैठते हो तो यू शुड सिट प्रॉपरली. यू शुड आपको जो चेयर को अच्छे से खींच के वहाँ पे उसके ऊपर बैठ के चेयर वापस पुल करके प्रॉपरली बैठना चाहिए. तो इट्स अ गुड हैबिट. So we will again do tick mark over here. And this boy, he is wiping his mouth on the clothes. वो अपना जो फेस है वो अपने कपड़े, अपने जो पहने हुए कपड़े हैं उससे पोंछ रहा है. Is this the right thing to do? No, it's absolutely wrong. So we will not do tick mark in this box. So now, do you understand what are good things to do, or what are the right things to do at the table, and what are the wrong things to आपको जो नहीं करनी चाहिए? वैसी चीज़ों के भी आपको पिक्चर्स दिखाए हैं. I hope all of you will follow this table manners. Okay, I'll see you with some more revision topics in our next classes. Till then, bye bye.